In this video, I'll show you how to clear Google Drive storage on your phone. If your Google account is almost full, the quickest way to clear Google Drive storage on your phone is to use Google's built-in storage tools. Google says you can open Google Drive, Gmail, or Google Photos on your phone and tap Clean Up Space or Manage Storage to open the Google One Storage Manager. From there, you can review files by service, including Google Drive, Gmail, Google Photos, and Trash. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. Then look for Manage Storage or Clean Up Space. If that option appears, tap it. This opens Google's Storage Manager, where you can see how much space each Google service is using. That part is important because sometimes your storage problem is not only from Drive files. It can also come from Gmail attachments, Google Photos backups, or items still sitting in trash. Now choose Google Drive in the Cleanup section and review the files taking up space. Delete anything you no longer need, especially large videos, old zip files, duplicate documents, and outdated backups. Google also suggests checking for duplicate files manually, since Drive doesn't have a built-in automatic duplicate remover. One easy way is to sort and look for files with names like copy of or files ending in 1. After that, make sure you check the trash. This step matters a lot because deleted items can still count toward your storage until they are permanently removed. Google's cleanup guidance includes trash as a separate category in the storage manager, so after deleting files, go there and permanently delete the ones you no longer need. If your storage is still full, check the other Google services from the same cleanup screen. Large email attachments in Gmail and backed up photos or videos in Google Photos can use a lot of space. Google's Storage Manager is designed to help you review all of these from one place, so it's a good idea to clean up more than just Drive if your account is close to the limit. One more thing to remember is this. Clearing Google Drive storage is different from clearing storage on your phone itself. If your goal is to free up space on the device, you may also need to remove downloads, app data, or local photos from your phone. But if your goal is to reduce your Google account storage, the main fix is deleting files from Drive, Photos, Gmail, and then emptying trash. So the steps are simple. Open Google Drive on your phone, tap Manage Storage or Clean Up Space, review your Google Drive files, delete what you don't need, and then empty trash. That's how to clear Google Drive storage on your phone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.